Okay, let's start with vertex form. Looks like we have a vertex here at -2, 1. So let's plug that in. X minus -2 squared plus 1. Simplify that to x plus 2 squared plus 1. There's vertex form. To get standard form, we can distribute this out. I already know what x plus 2 squared from the previous problem, but I can do it again. It's going to be x squared plus 2x plus another 2x. That makes 4x plus 4, and then I have that plus 1 on the outside. So standard form is going to be x squared plus 4x plus 5. Now factored form, can't really use the Babylonian method very easily here because there is no x-intercepts here. So, I mean, we could still try it, or we could use quadratic formula, which is going to give us the same answer, but it could be easier, who knows. So let's try x is equal to -b over 2a plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, also over 2a. So here's my a value, that's 1. My b value, that's 4. My c value, that's 5. So let's try this. -4 over 2 times 1 plus or minus b squared, which is going to be 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times c, which is 5, all over 2 times 1. So this is going to be -2, which makes sense because my axis of symmetry is right here at -2, and that's also the value of the vertex. And then I'm going to have plus or minus something, and I'm going to have a 2 on the bottom. This looks like it's going to be 16 minus 20. So 16 minus 20, well, that's square root of -4. I could break that -4 into 2 parts. I could actually break that into, that's a square root of 4 times a square root of -1. Square root of 4, I can break that into a 2. I can take the square root of 4 and get 2, and then the 2 on the top and the 2 on the bottom would cancel out. So then I'm going to have just square root of -1 left over. So I'm going to have 2 plus or minus square root of -1. So that means my factored form is going to be x plus, actually I'll do it like this, x minus 2 plus square root of -1, x minus 2 minus square root of -1, and then I'll simplify it. So it's going to be x minus 2 minus square root of -1. Then this should be x minus 2 plus square root of -1. And let's make sure we remember our negative sign there. And if that's a negative sign there and there, these are going to be plus signs. So that's going to get us our factored form, and then here was our standard form.